How to link Instagram to Google Business. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to link Instagram to Google Business. So without further ado, let's dive into our Google account right here. Type in Google, and in the search bar, just go and link Instagram to Google Business. Click on that, and here, let's click on this. This is up here, right here. Let's link these two together. So in here, let's go and connect apps. And by the way, guys, linking your Instagram account to Google Business can help enhance your online presence and improve your visibility in search results. By connecting these two platforms, you can easily manage and promote your business across multiple channels. So here, let's go and continue with our Google account. And let's wait for this to load. Remember, guys, to use this Zapier just for project management. How many employees? Right here. Just follow these steps right here. What apps do you use? Let's skip this for now. And by the way, guys, this is just for tutorial purposes only, for us to learn how to add our Instagram to our Google Business account. So here, search for Instagram for business, and then let's go for action 2. Let's go for Google Business. Click on that one, choose an event, app extension, choose an event also here. And then once you've done with that, you have to click on, and remember to sign into your Google Business account. And here, sign in to your Instagram account. So let's sign in. So once you've signed into that, also sign into your Google account or Google Business account. And once you've done that, you will see here it will be highlighted and fixed to publish. And once you've done that, you can now click this fix to publish and connect your Google Business to Instagram. And that simple steps, you can now connect these two applications together using Zapier. And that's a wrap on our tutorial on how to link Instagram to Google Business. By following the steps in this video, you'll be able to connect your Instagram account to Google Business and expand your reach to a wider audience. We hope you find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. And if you did, guys, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful social media and tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave the comments down below, guys. And remember, use Zapier in order to integrate applications like Instagram and Google Business and use them at their own capacity. And by the way, guys, thanks for watching, and as always, we will see you on the next video.